Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error when trying to launch Delta Force from the launcher. Okay, the first thing you want to do is reset your password for Delta Force if you're going from the launcher. For some reason that fixes it for most people. Okay, if you're in Steam, what you want to do is run the launcher as an administrator, see if that fixes it. So right click, go to properties, install, browse. Launcher, find startup runner, dflauncher.exe, say run as administrator, go to properties, go to compatibility, hit run this program as administrator, hit apply and hit OK. The next thing you want to do, if you're on Steam of course, is to verify integrity of game files and let it run and see what happens. Okay, the next thing you want to try is a program called Exit Lag. I'll have a link to this in my video description, but basically the first 3 days are free. It's $6 a month after that, but you install it, go to library, find Delta Force, and have it apply the roots directly. And this will solve a lot of weird connection errors. It will basically find the closest server to where you live. It will also boost FPS, and also through this you can shotgun internet basically if you want to go off a wired and a wireless internet connection and your mobile device all at the same time. You can use this program to do so. It's very nice. So give that a try. If this helped you, leave the video a like. If it didn't help you, leave the video a comment and I'll do my best to back to you.